Isn't there a meme that does this or whatever? I feel like that meme right now. Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I do these like press-on nails from Amazon. I literally ordered some press-on nails from Amazon. Press-on nails have been like all the rage, so I just wanted to see for myself, like, are they popping, are they not? And yeah, y'all can be the judge. This video is going to be super quick because they went on super quick, so yeah, just keep on watching if you want to see me put on these press-on nails from Amazon. Hey guys, so I got like a few different types of press-on nails from Amazon. So I got those, and then that came with like some stickies that I did not use and a nail file, and I got those. So I think I went with the little ombre looking ones, but I think I'm just going to show you like what the tips look like. And you guys, honestly, like, these nails feel pretty durable. Like, they lasted quite some time on my hands. So yeah, the first thing I did off camera was size out my nails. So you can see I chose like the little, I don't know, you can't really tell that it's an ombre, but I definitely chose this like ombre effect nail. Not the shape that like I super love, but you know, whatever. So I chose to use my own nail file, and I went in and just kind of filed all of my nails down, and you'll see me do that for like the next couple seconds.
Just wanna feel your vibe. I think I'm gonna make you mine. Learn from mistakes in the past, baby. No, I'm nothing like your last, baby. Nothing like your last, no, no. Slow it down, can't move too fast, baby. Don't wanna move too fast, no, no. Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise. Slow it down, can't move too fast. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise. Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise.
After I filed my nails, then I buffed them with this buffer, and none of these came with like the nail kit, but I can definitely link these items down below from Amazon. Everything I got was from Amazon. And also the nail glue itself too is from Amazon. Y'all, this nail glue is super strong, just FYI, so don't expect this to come off very easily. As you can see, I'm struggling to even get the top off of this nail glue. That's how strong this glue is.
Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise. Slow it down, can't move too fast. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise.
And this is why I like pre-selected my nails, because now you see how easy it is to just pop these babies on, and it's gonna go super fast.
Learn from mistakes in the past, baby. Yeah, I'm flexing on your last, baby. Nothing like your last, no, no. Slow it down, can't move too fast, baby. Don't wanna move too fast, no, no. Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise. Slow it down, can't move too fast. Let's just cruise, cruise, cruise. Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise, let's just cruise. We don't need a label, no, we don't need rules. Anybody asks, we just tell them we cool. Keeping it 100, never play you for a fool. Promise to never firm my move. Ooh, I can let this one slide. I just wanna feed your mind. just cruise. 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 Slow it down, can't move too fast. Let's just cruise. 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 Cause in that lane they crash. Let's just cruise. Ooh, 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 learn from mistakes in the past, baby. Ooh, no, I'm nothing like your last, baby.
So after I pop the press-on nails, I kind of just like smooth them and make sure they're like super on. And I told y'all that I didn't really like the shape. And they also have like this little, I don't know, like tab kind of thing at the top. So I kind of just filed that down and made it just a little more square, I guess, and like less pointy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is the end result of the press-on nails. I'll get close so you can see. A little crusty in the corner, but honestly not bad. Like, this shape isn't my favorite, but I mean, like, if you're in a pinch and you need to go somewhere, like, this is popping low-key. So yeah, I think I recommend, like, if you're in a pinch and you need to go somewhere, definitely. I feel like, is there a meme that does this or whatever? I feel like that meme right now. But yeah, I think this is cute. This is popping. I'll show y'all again. See if it focuses on my nails. Boom. A little crusty, but I think it's okay. Like, I think it's alright. Like, if you're just going somewhere real quick, get these nails. So yeah, I'll link the nails in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Bye.